Today we're going to be looking at this strategy here, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking back at a trading strategy that I developed not long ago, but almost missed out on a hidden opportunity. But thanks to you guys in the David Tech community, we're going to be looking back very quickly at this trading strategy, which seems to be working on multiple coins and continually profitable. Right, let's get over to my screen. Let's have a look at this strategy. But guys, before we go, if you do find value in this video, if you don't mind giving it a good old like, it helps grow the David Tech community. And why not subscribe? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Right, let's get over to the computer. Let's have a look at this strategy that works on multiple pairs. Let's go. Okay guys, I have actually added all of the indicators to the chart. The reason being is that I've already done a full video about this strategy. I will go through them very quickly, but if you're interested in a more deep dive into the indicators, I will put a link at the end of this video where you can watch all of the settings and the indicators involved. Okay, so the first indicator was an indicator that I built myself based off of a MetaTrader 5 script. So it's called the Trend Acom and it's this indicator here. This indicator is going to give us our trend direction. When it's green and price is above it, we're looking for longs, and when it's red and price is below, we're looking for shorts. You can add this indicator by going to davidtech.com, clicking free indicators at the top here, and you'll be able to find the Acom trend just here. Click on it, then press add to favorites. You'll be able to find it on TradingView by clicking indicators and typing Acom up here, and you'll be able to find it Trend Acom by David Tech. Okay, so now we have our indicator for trend direction. Now we're going to look at a couple of trend confirmation indicators, or the Williams Fractal range, which is this indicator here. Now this indicator involves a MA, an overbought section and an oversold section. We're going to go over to the cog over here. We're going to remove the oversold and overbought section, and we're going to remove the cross confirmation. For our entries as a long, we would like the WPR to be above the moving average, which would confirm entries very much like this one just here where we're crossing over on the Trend Acom. Now of course we never trade just two indicators here. We're always looking for a volatility or a volume indicator. That is where our POC curve is coming in. This is the indicator with the hardest name to say on YouTube without making a mistake. We're looking for the copper rock to be also above the MA being the white, the copper rock indicator being the red and green line. So we would expect for our entries to have the moving average below the copper rock and the copper rock to be green for longs. This would have absolutely confirmed this entry just here. Price being above the Acom trend, it being green. We also have the Williams Fractal R in green, and we also have our copper rock curve. Now for taking stop losses and take profit, we're going to add the ATR bands by David Tech, this one just here. Like I said earlier, all these indicators can be found on davidtech.com for free. We're going to go over, we're going to add the multiplier, and we're going to set that to 2.5. Our stop loss will be set to the ATR bands, and we're looking for a risk to reward of around 1.5. We will adapt depending on how volatile the coin actually is. As you can see, that would have been an absolute perfect win. Now I can hear you crying, David, we already seen this strategy. Yes, I know, and actually it was something that I lost sight of. It's a trading strategy that I gave up on optimizing and didn't personally find any other settings for it other than BTC USDT. But you guys from the David Tech community have sent in absolutely tons of amazing setups. So I thought I'd spend today going through the setups and the backtesting results. Okay, as you can see, the backtesting results on BTC USDT were pretty exceptional. They look absolutely amazing. We have 4,356% on this setup here sent to us by an elite backtester. We have 446 closed trades, a 51.35% win rate, a profit factor of 1.64, which is absolutely brilliant, and a max drawdown of 20%. When you consider that this is currently on 20x leverage, it looks pretty amazing to me, especially as that max drawdown is so low for a 20x leverage strategy. Equity curve looks great. Let's move on and let's have a look at a Rune USDT setup sent to us by one of our members. We are still on the 1 hour time frame on Rune USDT. The net profit on Rune USDT is 413%. We have 354 closed trades, a win rate of 58%, which is an amazing win rate. We have a 1.6 profit factor. Compared that to the win rate, you can see why this is building such a good equity curve. The max drawdown is only 11%. We are on 5x leverage, so yeah, looking brilliant on Rune USDT on the 1 hour too. Next one is Ethereum. We have Ethereum. The equity curve is a bit choppy, but certainly is worth looking and putting into forward testing. We have an amazing 7,000% net profit, 459 closed trades. The win rate is 52% and the profit factor is 1.6. Here's why it's so choppy. We can see that the max drawdown is almost 40%, which is very high, but the max leverage is 27, so maybe we can take down the leverage, decreasing that max drawdown, but also decreasing the net profit. If that one doesn't suit you, maybe something on a lower leverage, a bit like this, 743% net profit. This is on Ethereum on the 1 hour as well. This one has a much bigger risk to reward, but we have a win rate of 44% and a profit factor of 1.5. Max drawdown is 20%. Maybe it's better to try and improve this one than actually trading this one. The choice is yours, guys. I guess I'm not here to tell you which one to trade. I'm just giving you the backtesting results. We're on OP USDT. This is a altcoin. This altcoin has been doing pretty well. We are using multiple take profits here, so the 800 closed trades is probably a lot less because TradingView actually counts each of those closes as a new trade. The net profit is 304%, which is really the metric we should be looking at, because obviously we know that there's a bias towards a high win rate and higher closed trades on a multiple take profit. The win rate is 72%. We have a profit factor of 1.27, a bit lower than the other ones, but we only have an 18% max drawdown. On XRP, the chart looks a little bit choppy, but I would have died for 323% profit from XRP, considering I bought it a long time ago and haven't made anything, like I keep saying, better than a blooming stable coin. Right, 348 closed trades. We have a win rate of 56% and a profit factor of 2.3. Max drawdown is a little bit high at 22%, but looking very, very good. We also have a couple of other Bitcoin setups here. This one's at 382% on a win rate of 38%. We're on 1 hour. Another BTC setup. This one would have been 1,483% on a 50% win rate. Huge net max drawdown. Wouldn't trade that one myself. And this one here has 1,800%, 53% win rate, and only a 16% max drawdown. Absolutely excellent. So I thought it'd be a good idea to come back and have a look at this trading strategy, as it's personally something that I'm not actually trading myself. And when I saw these results on the live stream yesterday, I thought it was intriguing and certainly wanted to dig in a bit deeper and see if we could make this even better. Maybe on Friday I'll add a couple of more indicators to see if we can improve on these strategies. We're going to be also live optimizing them to make them even better on Discord. So it's a bit of a hidden gem, even one that I missed myself. Well done to everybody from the Elite Backtesters and the David Tech community. Thank you for pointing this out. Thank you for sharing all the absolutely amazing settings that you guys do. Okay guys, I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk to a random comment. Don't forget, I give away 1 million bonk in every single video. Okay, I'm going to be giving away 1 million bonk coin to a random comment from this video here. There were 27 comments. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tech from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tech in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom! Congratulations to you. You just won 1 million bonk. Without further ado, guys, I look forward to seeing everybody on Friday. Congratulations again to everybody from the elite backtesters and everybody that won a prize inside of my elite live stream. Once again, guys, thank you to 900,000 people that are following me on YouTube. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. You're absolutely amazing. You treat me so well. Thank you so much. Without further ado, guys, take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Friday. Take care, goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.